Hey Speed Society Car Club, it's Brian. We're here for another edition of Can You Guess This Month's Car Club Drop? It's August, it's SSCC number 28, and this month is themed after Polarizer. Polarizer, what does that even mean? How does that relate to Speed Society? And how does that relate to you, being a car club member? Well, it's really twofold. When we started Speed Society in 2013, we've always fought to be polarizing. We've always fought to be a trailblazer. We've always fought to be a disruptor within this industry. Well, how does that relate to us and you being car club members? Well, we feel like everybody within the car club is polarizing. They have your own passions, your own disciplines of car culture that you love and you enjoy and that you embrace and you represent and wear on your sleeve every single month. We know you wanted color. We know you wanted blue. It's been one of the most requested colors and feedback that we've been getting from the car club members. So I wanted to focus this month's Polarizer theme more high fashion streetwear. I didn't want it to be as hardcore car focused. I want it to be more of the lifestyle apparel and more of, again, the high fashion streetwear design into this latest drop. We, as always, have our insert. And here you have the insert for Polarizer. It's a different perspective. As always, we have your two exclusive car club decals. And the first one is the Worldwide Car Club, which is pretty awesome, the globe. And the second one is based off of the Polarizer design that you're gonna see on the shirt. And here's the lockup. I'm excited. I want to show you the design. I'm sure you're sick of hearing me talk by now, so let's get into it. I'm gonna do it a little bit different this time though. I'm gonna reveal this awesome royal blue color, but we're gonna start with the front this time. So here we go. Here is the car club logo. One element of design that I wanted to incorporate throughout this was a lot of monochromatic theme to it. So you'll see the blue on blue here. As you all know, we always have the limited edition car club number on the right sleeve of every shirt. As example, here's SSCC number 24, one of my personal favorites. I'm sure you guys have that as well. But I'm gonna try to do this as gracefully as possible, so bear with me. This is the Polarizer logo. So we have the Polarizer logo with the SSCC number 28 and all the reflective lines, which will make a lot more sense in a moment with the Polarizer and reflective lines. So I'm gonna show you the reveal of the back of the shirt and the main design, and I'll let you marinate on it for a second. So this is awesome. I absolutely love this one. And what you'll see is the main focus is more high fashion street art with design. And you're gonna see the speed stencils throughout. You see the society on the side. But one thing you may not notice from there, if you look up close, is we've got all these reflective lines through this whole design. And what does the reflective lines mean? And why do I have these lines through my design? Well, the whole point and concept of the Polarizer and this theme is that the reflective lines mean all of you. It means all of your different reflections within the car club and the disciplines and culture that you represent and that you love. So you think about it, this is all of us. This represents all of us, all of these reflective lines, but where does the Polarizer element come in? So think about it. Think about this camera with a Polarizer lens or your sunglasses, right? Your Polarizer sunglasses. What does that do? Well, that takes away all the glare and reflection and comes to a clear, focused piece of art or view, right? So if you think about it, if I take this Polarizer and I bring it all the way back, you now have a one clean, cohesive design that all came together. But again, close up, it's representative of all of us. It's an amazing design. A couple other hits on here: purveyors of the finest automotive fashion and culture, something that we're extremely passionate about and that we're able to bring to you every day. We have the Worldwide Car Club with the globe on it, which is represented also in that decal earlier. Limited edition number 28, Maverick exclusive, with all of our reflective lines. Again, that's the whole theme. That's the theme of Polarizer and represented each of every one of us. So that is the shirt. This drop is live. It's shipping to your door. Some of you probably got it already. We're extremely happy and excited for it. We know you're gonna love it. Want to thank you guys. We can't do this without you. If you're not familiar with the Speed Society Car Club, you get these limited edition drops sent to your door every single month. You get free shipping in the store. You get 10% off of everything in the store. You get 85 entries into every single giveaway we do, just like the Dodge Charger 1,000 horsepower build that we have right now. You know, we also have exclusive events, and as COVID is kind of winding down, hopefully, we are starting to roll out and plan for some great big events for you guys this year. So thank you for everything. Thank you for supporting us. That's SSCC28. That's a wrap. And we're going to start crushing out the next one. Thanks again, guys.